It's hard to let go. One Sunday morning, I turned on my radio to listen to classic songs. Ever since, music has become my outlet to get rid of reality and sometimes to get away from my comfort zone. I carefully looked for a radio station which songs would suit my mood at the time. Later on, I was caught to a song played over the radio which reminded me of someone. I was trying to recall her name. In remembering her, the beautiful memories we shared together brought me back to the days where we promised to stay together through thick and thin. However, the painful reality stabbed me the truth. Those memories were buried already. They should be forgotten. I should have forgotten her. It was past midnight when I received a phone call from you. "Hello," you said. "I need to break up with you." You continued with a hesitating voice. I was mute for a minute. I could not find the words in reply to your goodbye. With generated courage, I asked, "Why?" You refused to answer. You did not put down your phone. Your heartbeats were audible. They were loud and clear. I managed to hold on despite your silence. After a minute, I pleaded if we could see and talk about it. You started crying over the phone. "Where did I go wrong?" I asked curiously. "Nothing is wrong with you. You're doing your best to prove your worth to me." I thought and felt that breaking up with you is the best thing I could do to save our relationship. I cheated on you several times, and I could not open it up because I am afraid of losing you. In spite of your confession, I was ready to forgive you. "Let's start all over again," I told you hopelessly. But you denied my petition. "What else I can do to save our relationship?" I asked you impatiently. "Let me go," you replied unhesitatingly. "But why?" I inquired. You started divulging your plans to me. You said that you've been praying for God's reply to your prayers. You want to enter the convent. You want to serve God. It was difficult letting you go. I need to be strong for your happiness. I have to because I need to. It's very difficult for us to part ways. Words of goodbye are better left unsaid. We used to share the bliss and agony of life. Now that we are alone to face tomorrow, I could not imagine my life without you beside me. I won't promise anything. I will try to endure the pain. It is hard letting you go, but letting you go is just another way of saying that I love you very much. I am always ready to sacrifice my happiness for your own, even if I am not part of your happiness anymore. This is the kind of love you implicitly taught me and learned explicitly from you. To love is to give, and the one who loves well gives well, and to give well is to give what is precious. And the greatest love is the one that is willing to let go no matter how hard it may seem.